Eager to maximize your Shopify store's impact with the power of Google Tag Manager? Let's dive in. The journey begins at tagmanagergoogle.com. If you're new, sign up for a free account. Existing users, log in securely, then create a dedicated account for your Shopify store, clearly naming it for easy referencing. Within your newly created account, a container awaits. Think of this as your digital toolbox. Set web as the target platform to ensure compatibility with your Shopify site. Upon container creation, Google Tag Manager presents two crucial code snippets. These snippets are your GTM container codes. One goes within the head section of your website, and the second sits inside the body. Copy these codes carefully. Now, navigate to your Shopify store's control panel. Click Online Store followed by Themes. This is where we'll access the code. Locate the theme you want to modify. Click the three dots for more options. Choose Edit Code. The magic begins in the Theme Code Editor. Inside the code editor, find the Meliquid file. This master file defines your theme structure. Scroll until you find the head section. Paste the first GTM container code snippet immediately after the opening head greater than tag. Continue within the Meliquid and locate the opening body tag. Paste the second GTM container code snippet directly after it. Save your work. After integrating the code snippets, don't forget to save your Meliquid file changes. Head back to Google Tag Manager and publish your container. You can then start configuring tags and triggers. Google Tag Manager is now live on your Shopify store. Start tracking conversions and gain crucial customer insights. Prepare to make data-driven decisions. Keep an eye out for more Shopify and GTM tutorials.